Certainly. Here's a short love story set on a university campus. In the heart of the bustling university campus, where dreams and ambitions intertwined, a boy named Alex and a girl named Mia found themselves on parallel paths, destined to converge. Alex, an aspiring musician with a penchant for the acoustic guitar, often found solace under the ancient oak tree near the campus library. Little did he know that Mia, a literature enthusiast who loved losing herself in the world of books, admired his music from afar. One sunny afternoon, their worlds collided during an open mic event. Alex strummed his guitar, pouring his heart into each note, and Mia, drawn by the melody, found herself captivated. Their eyes met, creating a connection that resonated beyond the chords. As days turned into late-night study sessions and shared coffee breaks, Alex and Mia discovered a harmonious blend of passions and aspiration. Their laughter echoed through the campus corridors, becoming a melody that only they could compose. However, like the turning of pages in a novel, challenges unfolded. The pressure of exams and uncertain futures cast shadows on their budding romance, yet they found refuge in each other's company, turning the library into a sanctuary of shared glances and stolen kisses. One day, under the familiar oak tree, Alex surprised Mia with a song he had composed just for her. The lyrics painted a canvas of their journey, two souls navigating the complexities of university life while finding solace in the melody of their love. As graduation day approached, uncertainty loomed. Would their paths diverge, or would they find a way to compose a future together? In the midst of caps and gowns, Alex and Mia made a promise to chase their dreams, no matter the distance. Years later, the university campus became a nostalgic backdrop to the symphony of their shared memories. Alex, now a renowned musician, dedicated his albums to Mia, his eternal muse. Mia, a celebrated author, penned novels inspired by their love story. The campus, with its familiar oak tree witnessing the ebb and flow of countless stories, remained a silent testament to the enduring love of Alex and Mia, a love that began with a serendipitous chord and flourished into a timeless melody echoing through the halls of their shared history.